back to our channel. Today we made Vietnamese papaya salad. It's a popular street food in Vietnam. The salad's basic ingredients are green papaya, beef jerky, and silvers of smoked liver. Top the salads with Thai basil or Rau Răm. Now let's get started. First we need green papaya. You need to choose an unripe papaya. The firm, pale green flesh can be shredded up into salads. After that, we need to prepare a lime salt water to soak the shredded papaya in. If not, the papaya will turn brown. Now rinse them well. Now wash Rau Răm. You could change it to Thai basil too. Different herbs give you different taste. For the sauce we need 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of regular soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of vinegar, 3 tablespoons sugar, and 2 tablespoons hot water. Yay! In this clip, Mom used our homemade pickle vinegar. It is a vinegar cooked with sugar and water in the same amount. We also need fried garlic in the sauce. Mom used the garlic crusher to peel the garlic easier. She thinks that. Do you think it too? Now chop them all. Hot oil ready. Chop garlic in. Give it a stir frequently. And turn the heat medium, please. The golden color we need. Turn off heat. Take them out. Remember to use paper to absorb the left oil. 2 tablespoons fried garlic to the dressing. Oh wait, please wash your hands carefully with hand soap for 20 seconds. For sure, super great. Okay, green papaya in. Beef jerky in. You could buy this style in Asian malls. They sell many types of beef jerky, from spicy to non-spicy. Rau Răm in. Remember to cut it into strips for easier mixing and tasting. Another kind of beef jerky. This is non-spicy. Yay, non-spicy. Because I kind of like spicy and kind of not. We need something crunchy too, so we use fried wonton strips. You could buy it at Costco. We also need the nutty taste, haha. So we add baked peanuts. Little dressing on the top for the salads could absorb the dressing faster. Are you hungry or drooling now? The real show now just began. Add more dressing as you wish. Mix it well. Sriracha, please. That's all for today. Our video come out every day. Hope you enjoy it as we do. Thank you for watching. Bye!